If you are interested to learning how to draw cute cartoons in Photoshop professionally for games or as a hobby, then this is the right course for you. Hi, welcome to my new course. My name is Naveen and I'll be your instructor for the course. I have been in animation industry for several years. In this course, I'll take you through the process of how to make vector art and more importantly, how to make really great vector art with Photoshop. We'll start off with an introduction to vector shapes, pen tool and vector layers in Photoshop. Then we will illustrate stunning fruits and candy cartoons in Photoshop through simple methods. I'll be available to answer your queries and feedback of your artwork through messages. So why wait? Let's get started.